Welcome to Tech Research. If you're looking creating a passport photo, so might be this video is helpful for you. Look at this here. This is the original photo. I convert this one like this. Absolutely free. How you create any types of passport photo, you just provide the dimension and convert any of your photo as a clicking randomly. You just provide the dimension and convert as the simplest and easiest way to the passport photo. No need to go anywhere. After converting, you just simply take a printout and submit where you want to use. How to do it? Let's start on my Mac screen. So first of all, I just simply demo point of view show it to you. This is my photo. I want convert this photo in different passport size categories. So this is the standard photo. I clicking for the thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, and I use this photo to convert as a passport photo. You need to enter in your ChatGPT account. Using ChatGPT, you can very easily convert any types of photo in passport size. How to do it? Let's see. First of all, I just simply upload this photo here. This is my photo, and second thing, as a demo point of view, I select here Indian passport photo requirement. So how you can create your picture to Indian passport size photo. So I just simply select here, type here Indian passport size photo. So first some information is displaying here. I copy this information and put it here. Can you make it? Just simply put it here in passport size photograph must measure 2 by 2 inches and 1 by 51, and enter here and wait couple of seconds to complete the process. ChatGPT are helping us very much. So this is the one of the easiest and simplest way to convert passport size photo using ChatGPT. And boom, look at this here, our photo is clear. If I download this photo and see here, the size of the photo is very much clear and amazing. If I open this one and so look at this here, the graphic features is not disturbing anything. So clarity we are receiving very amazing way. Using this process, you can very easily convert the passport photo, any of the picture of yours. Second thing, I just simply open here one more demo as a Aadhaar card, as an Indian Aadhaar card. Simply copy here Aadhaar card photo size in centimeter, copy this line and just simply paste here. Wait couple of seconds, depend upon your internet speed. And look at this here, the picture converted as a Aadhaar card size photo. It's really nice. So original photo like this, we convert first of all passport and then Aadhaar card, and last one we can use here in same thing in PAN card as well. So I copy this particular selected portion and come to this one and paste it here, make it and enter. Wait couple of seconds, and same thing in Aadhaar card. PAN card photo is also downloaded here. We create here 3 different pictures. First one is the Indian passport, then Aadhaar card, and then PAN card. So I just simply open here one by one. So look at this here, this is our original picture. I convert here Indian passport like this, then Aadhaar card, and then PAN card. Using ChatGPT, you can create very easily any types of photo. Using ChatGPT, you can create or generate multiple photos. Just simply ask to the ChatGPT specific dimension of specific portal, very easily generate the passport size photo. If you have any question related on tech, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.